What's up guys, we're here in a washer work order. The work order complaint is washer will fill up, but after that it just blinks. Model number we're going to be working on is GTUP 270EM2WW. The washer fills up with water, but then it just starts blinking. We're now in service mode. Gonna check out our air code, which is gonna be position 3. So the air code that we are receiving is blocked motor. So let's go check that out. Alright, so I'm gonna try replacing the motor. I don't know what else it could be. It's held in by 2 screws, 1/2 inch, one on each side. When installing a new motor, it's pretty much the same thing as uninstalling it. You have this top bracket here, and only one side is gonna be able to move, so you can adjust the belt tension. Alright, we have the new motor in, wires hooked up. Let's go ahead and reset everything and try to run this again. Alright, looks like we're spinning now without any air code, so just by replacing the motor we were able to fix the problem.